Welcome! If you want to share your favorite moments or memories on X app, you first need to make sure it has permission to access your photos and videos. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow photo and video access for X app on your device. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control everything from Wi-Fi to app permissions. The Settings icon is usually found on your home screen or app drawer. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps, App Management, or sometimes Applications, depending on your device. Tap on it. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look through the list and find X app. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you spot X app, tap on its name to open the app's settings. Inside the X app settings, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Permissions. This section controls what parts of your phone the app can access, like your camera, contacts, or in this case, your photos and videos. In the Permissions menu, look for the option labeled Photos and Videos. Tap on it, and you'll be given choices for what kind of access to allow. Select Allow Photos and Videos Access. This gives X app the ability to upload, share, and save media directly from your device. That's it. You've successfully enabled photo and video access for X app. Now, you can easily share pictures and videos with your friends, post updates, or save media from X app to your device without any issues. If you ever want to change these settings, just repeat these steps and adjust the permissions as needed. Keeping your app permissions up to date ensures you get the best experience while staying in control of your privacy. Thanks for following along. If this guide helped you, consider checking out more of our tech tips to make the most of your apps.